Imagine this. You're a busy entrepreneur, juggling clients, invoices, and a mountain of paperwork. You finally decide to embrace the digital age and sign up for Xero, a popular accounting software. But then you realize your business partner needs access too. Can you both use the same Xero account? This is a common question, and the answer isn't always straightforward. In this video, we'll delve into the complexities of shared Xero accounts, exploring the pros, cons, and best practices for collaborative accounting. Understanding Xero's user roles. Before we dive in, let's clarify Xero's user roles. Xero offers a flexible system that allows you to grant different levels of access to different individuals. Administrator. This is the highest level of access. Administrators have full control over the account, including adding and removing users, managing subscriptions, and adjusting account settings. Standard user. Standard users have access to most features, allowing them to enter transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate reports. Read-only user. As the name suggests, read-only users can view account data but cannot make any changes. The case for a shared account. There are several compelling reasons why you might consider sharing a single Xero account. Centralized data. A shared account ensures all financial information is stored in one place, making it easy for both partners to access and stay updated. Improved collaboration. Sharing an account facilitates seamless communication and collaboration on financial decisions. You can easily discuss invoices, expenses, and cash flow in real time. Reduced costs. Depending on your subscription plan, a single account might be more cost-effective than individual licenses. The potential pitfalls. While sharing a Xero account offers numerous advantages, it also presents some potential challenges. Security risks. Sharing login credentials can compromise data security. If one partner's account is compromised, the entire business's financial information could be at risk. Accountability issues. It can be difficult to track who made which changes to the account, making it challenging to resolve discrepancies or identify errors. Workflow disruptions. Multiple users accessing the same account simultaneously can lead to confusion and potential data conflicts. Best practices for sharing a Xero account. If you decide to share a Xero account with your business partner, it's crucial to implement best practices to minimize risks and maximize efficiency. Strong passwords. Enforce strong, unique passwords for each user. Consider implementing multi-factor authentication for added security. Distinct user roles. Assign appropriate user roles based on each partner's responsibilities. For example, if one partner focuses on sales and the other on expenses, grant them specific permissions accordingly. Regular reviews. Conduct regular reviews of user access and permissions to ensure they remain appropriate and up-to-date. Clear communication. Establish clear communication protocols to avoid confusion and ensure everyone is aware of any changes or updates made to the account. Consider a separate account for personal expenses. If you need to track personal expenses within the business, consider creating a separate account or using a different method to avoid confusion and maintain clear financial records. Alternatives to sharing a single account. If the potential drawbacks of sharing a single account outweigh the benefits, consider these alternative solutions. Multiple user licenses. Purchase individual Xero licenses for each partner. This provides each user with their own login credentials and access level, enhancing security and accountability. Xero Practice Manager. If you're an accountant or bookkeeper working with multiple clients, Xero Practice Manager allows you to manage multiple client files within a single platform. Third-party integrations. Explore third-party integrations that can improve collaboration and streamline workflows without requiring a shared account. Making the right decision. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to share a Xero account depends on your specific business needs and circumstances. Carefully weigh the pros and cons, consider your team's working styles, and choose the solution that best suits your unique situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.